Time is precious. So is your timepiece. When your watch stops ticking, it's more than an inconvenience. It's like losing a trusted companion. For over 4 decades, Expert Watchmaker has been breathing new life into treasured timepieces across New Port Richey. Since 1980, our hands have restored countless watches with the precision and care they deserve. That Rolex passed down from your grandfather, we'll treat it like our own. That wedding anniversary watch that's seen better days, will bring back its brilliance. What makes our watch repair in New Port Richey different? It's the eyes of experience. Samir Farag's 40-plus years of craftsmanship combined with modern techniques that ensure unparalleled results. And it's not just watches. Fine jewelry repair, stone setting, cleaning, we handle it all with the same dedication to perfection. The best part? Walk in for a completely free inspection and estimate. No surprises, no pressure, just honest expertise. Located in the heart of Port Richey, we're the timekeeper's timekeeper. Because we believe some things should last forever, especially the timepieces that mark our most precious moments. Expert Watchmaker, where time stands still only until we fix it.